Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make slow cooker carne asada. This recipe comes from viewer request because so many of you have loved my recipe for carne asada and lots of you have asked if you can make it in the slow cooker. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. To start, we're going to make our marinade. You'll need half a cup of orange juice, the juice from 2 limes, and then a couple tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. All of that acidity will not only flavor our meat, but it'll make it nice and tender. You'll also need 4 cloves of minced garlic, a minced jalapeno, half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and I like to add about 1 cup of freshly chopped cilantro, and then whisk this together. Carne asada can be as simple as putting a little bit of salt and pepper on some steak, throwing in a can of beer or a little bit of acidity and making it that way, but I like to add a lot more flavor. I think that you'll really like it. Next, we're gonna take some flank steak and lay it right into the bottom of the slow cooker. You could also use skirt steak or experiment with other beef steak cuts like a top sirloin flat meat or even some ribeye. Then we're gonna take our sauce and pour it directly over the meat. It's so easy, it's a little bit ridiculous. Then we're gonna take the lid and pop it on and then cook it on high for 3 to 4 hours or on low for 6 to 8. And that's it. Once it's done, the meat should be super tender and you are ready to eat. I like to serve my carne asada up in taco form because, hello, who doesn't like tacos? Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe and check out the rest of my channel where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.